We are here.
I fell asleep on the table.
I know you did.
No, I
You're a liar.
was
You always joke. You're a liar. Oh, what? Is that a new statue? Inside? Look. A bowl of ice cream? It's a hot fudge sundae. What? In the Brooklyn Museum, baby. But that's not where we're going. So let's keep walking. I would love to live in this building. Just because it's so close to everything. Are you ready to be shown on YouTube?
YouTube?
Yeah.
I mean, okay.
Don't quote me on this, but it was said that Daniel Radcliffe actually owns one of the units in this building, in this glass building right here, or has owned one a while ago.
Like 5 inches away from it, and the owner was like, no. But he yelled no, and the dog ran.
Oh.
Because he knew the dog was going to bite me. Obviously, he screamed out loud.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad that he did. Because literally, sometimes dogs, if they see you on their property and they are unchained and meant to keep outsiders away,
If
then
they really want outsiders to keep away, they should have a fence.
that's true. But
Like,
sometimes
our dogs don't really do that, though.
your dogs are small.
Yeah, but
And
still.
they're not going to keep anybody away. I mean, they'll be there for a warning sign, but not to literally chase people away. You don't have big dogs. You have Malteses.
No, they will bite someone.
I'm not saying that they won't. I'm saying, you see the way you ran from the German Shepherd? If you was to be chased by a bunch of little rat dogs, I don't think you would be as scared. Right, so that's the difference.
But I did get chased by one. A little chihuahua.
You got chased by a little chihuahua now.
Yeah. It didn't look like something like shiny was above you.
Yes.
It's probably just the sun though.
Our first bit of water. One of the bridges. Damn.
That one. I hit one of them. I only got that on
It's
one
another waterfall.
when I know that place. And if I don't know exactly where I'm going and that place I know how to go back. But I don't know how to do it when I don't know that place.
Is it up there? No. Can't really see anything, but it's back that way. What's up, doggy? Trying to find the lake. Oh, I hate these damn tunnels. Oh, this one is not that bad.
Why you don't like that?
Yeah. Uh-oh, let's go this way. Oh, I think I know where we was at. We was over there.
Where was it?
It's right there.
Is it?
Yes. It's a little thing over there. And I think alligators.
Yeah.
I don't think so. No. There isn't any alligators, sweetie. But that is a boat.
I see something.
What do you see?
I see a head.
A what?
A head.
A head?
I think it's a turtle. I'm not sure.
See, this is why I can't mess with you. Because you like to do all that.
Yeah, right there. A ducky. Oh, it's one right here.
Take some nice photos. Damn, you know, the hills is with me. Got us out of breath and whatnot. We're gonna possibly find that tunnel. If we walk around We'll find the tunnel and we'll be on our way back to the entrance. Actually, let me pause this and I'm going to check Google Maps because I don't want to go deeper into the damn park. Beautiful scene now. Literally trying to find our way out. And we found our way up. The road. Will you stop? Stop. You weirdo, for they curse you out. Well, that was pretty. Maybe. Don't. Wow. Real life, man. No, I don't remember, man. You ain't gonna embarrass me like that in front of my friends. Why? I don't like coming through here anymore. As I get older, I hate doing these things. If it's not a regular hike and we gotta go through jungles and whatnot.
This is it.
Nah, homie.
This is it.
This ain't it, homeboy.
This is it.
This ain't it, beautiful boy.
That's a big turtle.
That's a big ass turtle. I don't want nothing to jump out on me. Alright, we gonna be G's, okay? We're gonna be G's about it.
I'm not scared of no turtle. Turtles are slow.
It ain't the turtles that I'm scared of. Alright, let's snap a pic and then we're going. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. We about to... Oh, he does not want to be in this video at all. Anyway, thank you so for watching. And until next time.
Peace.